Hey everyone, this is Bill at JK Southwest, and today we're at the SEMA show, checking out the Jeep booth. Make sure you click the like and subscribe button down below, and let's get started. Based on a 2018 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon model, the Nacho Jeep was created to offer a blueprint off-roaders can follow to create their own custom trail vehicle. It comes decked out with a variety of extras pulled from the Mopar catalog of performance parts. There's bigger rock rails, tube doors. This one has a 2-liter inline 4-cylinder turbo engine. The Nacho Jeep gets a 2-inch lift plus 2.5-inch diameter aluminum body shocks, 37-inch tires. They're mounted on 17-inch beadlock wheels, finished in a satin carbon color. There's also a spare tire tailgate hinge that supports a full 37-inch spare tire. It's basically decked out with all the accessories from the catalog. Every year, Jeep releases a few concept vehicles to be shown at the Easter Jeep Safari off-road event in Moab, and at least some portions of these concept vehicles are usually inspired by classic models. For 2018, Jeep prepared a tribute to the 1966 Jeepster using a brand new Wrangler, and it's an awesome two-door which proves that Jeep should consider reviving this model. The roof was chopped by 2 inches for a lower stance. Also, the windshield was raked back by 2.5 degrees to create a chopped and somewhat sportier look. The Jeepster rides on a Mopar 2-inch lift kit, and of course it's got 37-inch BFG KO2 tires. Inside the cabin, Jeep replaced a standard sport bar with a tubular roll cage and included black catskin leather seats with red Jeep logos on the seat backs. The Jeep Sandstorm has a strong theme going for it, taking its inspiration from the Baja racers with all the right parts to conquer the desert. Unlike Project Nacho and the Jeepster, Sandstorm is far from just a cosmetic job. That suspension, courtesy of Melway from Off-Road Evolution, utilizes custom coilovers and bypass shocks, which yield 14 inches of travel up front and 18 inches in the rear. Gone are the Dana 44 style axles. Sandstorm has heavy-duty front and rear Dynatrac 60s with 568 gears. New interior features include a racing-inspired gauge cluster, a 7-inch off-road GPS unit, and rocker switches to control the onboard electronics, air compressor, and axle lockers. The 6.4-liter Hemi plucked from the pages of the Mopar Performance catalog provides motivation, sending its grunt to the axles via a 6-speed manual transmission. 17-inch beadlock wheels are wrapped with 39.5-inch BFG crawler tires. Low-back racing bucket seats in the rear offer room for a couple of passengers in an otherwise purpose-built environment. Finally, Baja-inspired styling elements include front and rear tube bumpers, modified rock rails, and a race-style fuel filler.